is your girl Sparkle and Shine coming back to you today with another video. I'd like to say welcome to all of my returning viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so sorry it took me so long to upload another video. I did a community post about, I did have my husband lost a family member, one of my in-laws, and also I was under the weather, but I am back and raring to go. I'm so excited to upload this video. I will be doing an insert in the video showing you the subscriber giveaway winner unboxing the bag that she received. So I'm so excited to do that. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel and you feel that you enjoyed the content, go ahead and hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be alerted to when I upload future videos. And so we're going to just get right into it without further ado. I just wanted to give you this quick update about my Agyness bag. So as you can see, this is the Agyness, my Agyness bag from Karl Lagerfeld, and I have her adorned with these cute little this cute little bag charm from Amazon, a little pom-pom from Amazon, a little fox fur pom. And then in the back of here, there in this pocket, I just have the lotion. Now, I'm not going to do a full what's in my bag right now because I am on my way somewhere, but I just wanted to pop in and say hello to everybody. Let you all know I have been thinking about you and just missing you too. I've been missing doing videos. So I wanted to show you what my bag of this week has been. It is my lovely Agyness bag. And I'm not gonna do a what's in my bag, but I am just gonna show you that she is packed and stuffed. And maybe I will post a what's in my bag on this bag, but not in this particular video. So in this video, I'll put her to the side. This is what I wanted to show you. Now I gave away a Micael Kors bag for the subscriber giveaway, but then I also, and I showed this, I think I did an unboxing or unbagging, but I showed this lovely Micael Kors bag in the blush pink, this barrel satchel, which I love because I find that this is one of my most favorite silhouettes. So I wanted to show you. Now, I'm not carrying her today, but I wanted to show you how I have her packed and what I will be carrying in her. Since today is the first day of spring, I am going to be carrying this bag tomorrow. I'm moving out of the Agyness bag and moving into this beauty right here. So hold please. Okay, so I wanted to bring this up closer so you can see the Micael Kors signature in the print of the bag. And as you can see, there's no back pocket on here. There are no feet on the bottom of the bag. And it has this beautiful Micael Kors charm right here. And I have her adorned with this beautiful scarf that I just picked up from TJ Maxx. Now, this bag charm is not really a bag charm. Well, it's whatever you want it to be. But it's a coin case or a bag charm. I think I'm going to put my hand sanitizer in here because it will fit. So I'm just going to unzip this and show you what I plan to carry in her, okay? So this is what I will be carrying in my bag. Now, she's stuffed. She's already packed with all the stuff that I want to carry in her. So here's the first thing I want to show you, that I picked up this beautiful Juicy Couture card case. And here's the back of the card case and the little chain strap that came with it. And it has Juicy It has the JC, and then in the inside, it has the Juicy Couture print in the inside of it. I'm so excited to have this because I saw this at TJ Maxx, and I'm telling you, I said, oh my goodness, it'll match so good. And then they had the scarf too. So yes, so that's the first thing I'm going to be carrying. The next thing is, this is my little strawberry notebook. See the print there? It's a strawberry notebook, and it matches. Look how well this matches. And I just picked this up. I forgot where I picked it up from. I think it was the Dollar Tree. But look how cute that is in my bag. So I'm going to carry this. Also, I have my little sunglass case that I got, and this is in the blush pink. I don't want to put it too close up to the camera, to the light. Let me see. And this looks a little crooked. Let me see if I can straighten that. Okay, so yes, this is my little card case I'm going to carry with my Micael Kors blush pink bag. I picked this up from the Dollar Tree. And I like this little card case, you guys, because it has, like, you can, it closes like this. Like there's a little, like a little button closure. But I like it because if you wanted to put this on a belt loop, you can put this on the belt loop. So that part I really liked about it. So the next thing I have is my blush pink Coach wristlet. And this matches perfectly. So we're all familiar with the Coach wristlets. It has the 2 card slots there, but I'm going to use this as a catch-all. So yeah, I have that. And the next thing I'm going to carry, and I still have the bag stuff, y'all. I still have the stuff, but I am going to carry. So the next thing I'm going to carry, oh, let me show you my Micael Kors wallet. Here's my Micael Kors wallet in the blush pink signature wallet. And here's the inside of the wallet. And it's has that snap closure. So it snaps closed. And then it has a zipper compartment right here that you can put your coins in right there. And then it has this snap on the other side. So it has this and then this. And then it has a slip pocket here, a slip pocket here, and a slip pocket right here, and more card slots. And then it has this deep space in here for you to put your bills in there if you want your cash. So I'm going to use that. And then I have my Victoria's Secret little case, striped case. And that, I thought that matches really nice. Now, inside of here, I just have a lot of Victoria's Secret stuff. I have this card case. I have this little card case. Because I have it all together just so I can decide what I want to carry at the time that I carry it. And then I also have this one. So I can use all of these, or just all of them, or none of them, or one of them, to help me keep my bag organized and carry the things that I feel like I want to carry and that are essential. So that's my Victoria's Secret. And then let me just take this paper out. And now you can see the bag is empty. But I showed this already on, I did a reveal of this, but I just want to show you it's empty. So let me just put this right here. And I just want to show you this beautiful catch-all that I picked up from TJ Maxx. It was on clearance for 18 bucks. And wait till I show you. And it came with this little charm right here. This little key fob. It's a key fob, but I'm going to use it as a little charm for this. And it's basically the size of a Nolita or the Plaza bag. But I thought that was so pretty. Look how pretty that is. And then it has satin on the underside of the strap. And this is the back. It's just plain on the back. And this is the bottom of it. And then it also has, let me just show you this. And this will go with my Coach pink. My Coach pink also. It's satin lining in there. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, that is just so gorgeous and so feminine and so, I just love that. And so spring-like. So I'll put this right here. Now I'm going to fold this back down. I'm going to fold this back down. There we go. So I'll put that right there. And then I'll put my Micael Kors wallet I'm going to carry and put that right there. And then here's this little pouch that came with it as well. And inside of here, you can put cards in here if you want, or your earbuds in there, or lipstick in there. No, I wouldn't put lipstick because this is satin. Beautiful satin. So, yeah. This came with it as well. So I'll just put that right there for now. And I'll put this right here for my eyeglass case. And then I'll put this right here for my catch-all. And everything is just so well coordinated. Let me just leave this because I want that to show. And it doesn't matter that it's cherries and strawberries. I mean, we can do whatever we want to with our bags. And the colors all just go together so beautifully. And then I have my Juicy Couture, my little notebook, and then I did pick up this piece from Juicy Couture as well. I mean from TJ Maxx. Juicy Couture, because I love me a cute little drawstring bag. So I picked this up too, and it all coordinates so well. And I will come back and do a what's in my bag, but I did just want to show all the things that I put together to go with my Micael Kors blush pink bag. Now it is there's a slight difference in the color of the Micael Kors bag. It's a lighter pink than the Coach pink. And the next video that I do on this one, when I carry it, I will have my Coach bag out and show you. But this is my Victoria's Secret pouch. So I may not use all of these things in the carry of this bag, but I wanted to come on and just show you how I have her packed, or how I could pack her. So I wanted to show you all that, and it's just so pretty. Oh, it's so pretty. It's just so lovely. So I'm so happy that I have all these cute little pieces, and everything came together and matches so well. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. I will be back to show you what I picked up from the Coach drop. I still have like a few pieces that I'm waiting for, so that's the reason why I haven't did the video on that yet. But I did pick up a few pieces, and I do have them. And I'm going to show you and it surprised me that I picked these up. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. And don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. And remember, never let anyone take away your sparkle or dull your shine. Stay tuned for pictures of Mary Hernandez unboxing her subscriber giveaway bag. See you later.